Hi all. In this lecture, we will understand the complete flow as how pod get access to keyboard using pod identity. So let us assume we have a virtual machine, part of a node group in AKS cluster. We have an application pod which is labeled with the name of the pod identity running. And let us consider this application pod need access to secrets which are stored in Azure keyboard here. Right, so it will send the request to IMDS, that is instance metadata service of the node, and this request will be intercepted by NMI, that is node managed identity, and it will get the request, and then it will look for Azure identity, and Azure identity binding will validate if pod has write access to identity or not. If it finds that pod has access to identity, then it will basically send the request to pod identity, and pod identity will get the token from Azure Active Directory and will return the token back to NMI, and NMI will further return the token back to pod, and pod using that access token will get access to the secret stored in keyboard. So that's how the pod will get access to secrets which are stored in keyboard. And we have other two pods which are running as controller and driver. The first one is AKS Secret Store CSI driver, and there is one more, that is AKS Secret Store Provider. So these are the pods which are running, which will help in mounting the secret and accessing the secrets from the keyboard as a CSI volume inside the pod. These pods will look for secret provider class to get the name of the secret and also to get the name of the keyword. That is another object in Kubernetes which we need to create manually. In the definition of secret provider class, you will mention the name of the secret and name of the Azure keyword. And then driver will look for secret provider class to get the name of the secret and the Azure keyword, and basically mount those into the pod. So this is the high level architecture of as how pod get access to objects stored in keyboard. Now let's understand how these objects and pods are getting created onto your cluster. NMI is the pod which is running as the daemon set onto your Kubernetes cluster, and it will be provisioned as part of your add-on. We have Azure identity and Azure identity binding that will be created as Kubernetes object when pod identity is assigned to the AKS cluster. You don't need to create it manually. It will be created as you assign pod identity to the AKS cluster. AKS Secret Store CSI driver, and we have Secret Store Provider which are created as pod. Those are also created as part of your add-on. So that's it at a high level, and now we will see that in action in the next lecture. Thank you.